Hello there and welcome to the Genesis models vlog for this week. This week is the 26th of May. Hopefully been doing some good happy modeling. Now we're going to jump over to Discord in a bit and we're going to announce the top pick of the month. But so far this week what we've been doing, we have done a cool little inbox review, bit of an oldie but it's a kind of a nice cheap one. Yes, we did the F22 Raptor in 1/72 scale. This was new tooled in like the year 2000. It was by Italier originally, but yeah, it's still, I mean, it's only like 20 quid, so it's a nice cheerful kind of build. Did also do the other week, we did a sort of top airbrush tips and tricks, which you really did seem to like that video. Really kind of went over or just little tips, you know, just little stupid little things that you know, don't maybe normally cover, but just lots of little kind of ideas to help you along with your airbrushing. Silly little things like putting Teflon tape on your hoses just to kind of, you know, get them nice and airtight. But yeah, you like that video, so I'm probably going to do a couple more like that. Maybe kind of do a lot more sort of tips and tricks as we go along. Also did a nice tutorial this week as well. It's something I've been searching around for, and I came across this stuff. It's what I've been sort of looking for. It's like a vinyl sheet. It's clear, and we did cool little things like this where we sort of get our canopy and give it this sort of holographic effect to it, which I thought was really cool. It's going to look really nice on the model. Few little questions about that tutorial as well, just want to sort of go over them because a few came in. One was some people were kind of like, is this really something that goes on an Apache? I just looked at some reference photos. Here's one just to sort of show you where you can see it's got that holographic effect. Not sure that all the Apaches, all the versions or import versions have them or whatever, but you know, that's what I was going off of. Another question, something else I did kind of forget to sort of mention, is because of the way this stuff is, it is it's more for kind of flat surfaces. It's not something that you can stretch and go around, say, a canopy, you know, kind of making sort of like an egg type shell kind of surface, right? It's kind of got to be on a flat surface, which is a bit of a shame because it does look rather cool. And actually, just another little tip someone did mention to me in a comment, wouldn't it have been better to put the film on the inside? And do you know what, thinking about it, probably would have been better, just because we have like our raised areas, our details on the front side. We've got to put the canopy mask on top of this to spray it. So yeah, do you know what, it probably would have looked better and been more sensible to kind of do it on the underside. For those of you who haven't done it yet, maybe try that. Me, I've done it, so it's going to be just the way it is for now. Maybe I might kind of like take it apart, but I don't really want to take it all off, clean it all up and put another one on. Anyway, nice tutorial there for you guys to watch. Just put up as well today episode 4 of the Apache just here, which kind of also shows the putting the holographic canopy films on. We've gone into more weathering, as you can see from these pictures, where we kind of do dry brushing. We're using different types of washes. We're using kind of like acrylic based washes as well as enamel based washes as well, to kind of give us different effects with our canopy. So hopefully you're going to have watched all them, and next week we're probably going to be again moving along with Apache and whatever sort of maybe tutorials, inbox reviews I might come up with. But let's go jump over to Discord now and let's have a look who is our top pick of the month. So here we are over on Discord to take a look at our top pick of the month for May. You guys have been doing some really cool work. Just want to give out some honourable mentions here. We have Jim H. He has done a Mosquito FB6 by Tamiya 1/48 scale. I have built this kit and it's a really nice kit to build. Goes together rather well. Nice step-by-step of that on the Genesis Models website. I really do like his photography. He has done a lot of pictures for this, which I really do like to see when people do that. got his background sorted. We can see a nice spray job on this, nice weathering on the underside, lovely chipping going on there, and if we kind of move along down, we have loads more pictures to get really nice and close up of everything is done. So really good one to go take a look at, and loads more pictures for there for you to go have a look if you want to go for it. We also, I like to want to show this one as well. This was a 1/72nd scale Academy F18C, and I just like this whole diorama thing going on, this in-flight display. It looks really cool. Real shame there's only 4 photos showing this off. Would love to have seen a couple more pictures showing that off, but really good. Well done to you, Be Creative ZA. Now after all that, after going through all that, I really did like this one. It is the Harrier GR9. It's by Hobby 2000 Hasegawa. Matt H0912 is the one who did it, and hopefully you'll agree, really good looking Harrier GR9 just there. We can see nice photography going on there, nice bunch of pictures. I can see mottling effects going on. The spray works looks nice and neat. Canopy looks really cool, and as we go along, hopefully you'll agree, it's a really nice, good top pick of the month. And we've got some more as well. Got a bit of the underside, really cool to see all the weapons and that going on with that one. So yes, very nice. Harrier GR9 there by Matt. Well done. I'll put your images in the top picks of the month. So back over to the workstation. So sadly we've come to the end of our vlog, but next week we're going to be announcing next month's competition. So stay tuned to find out what that competition prize is going to be. Just remember, you're all automatically entered into our competition draws so long as you have an account on the Genessis Models website. So if you haven't got one, go get one. Other than that, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.